Today we're going to work on our hip mobility as I demonstrate how to perform the seated bent knee hip internal rotation. Set up for this exercise, we're going to need to find an object we can wrap a band around, and then what we'll do is wrap a band around our knee, and then we'll bring the foot in towards the hip. We'll keep our other leg straight and we'll try and turn away from this object, opening up the hip. And as you can see in the start of this video, I kind of scooch my foot away from my hip, trying to expose the hip as much as I can. And then while doing that, we're gonna get a big stretch at the top, and then we're gonna rotate that knee down towards the floor, internally rotating the hip. We'll hold this position for a few seconds and then slowly come back to the starting position. This is a really difficult exercise to get into, so the hardest part may just be trying to get into this position. But once in this position, this will work as a really good hip opener, and it'll help strengthen the internal rotators and help take stress away from the SI joint, which if we have really tight external rotators, this can help loosen them up and help promote structural balance between the hips. So these work great if you have a lot of tension or stress right in the middle of the SI joint, kind of right in the buttocks, or if you're dealing with hip misalignment or structural imbalances between the hips.